How to tag someone on Instagram story. So if you want to tag someone on your Instagram story, then first you need to open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has your story option. Tap on it and then choose the video or the image that you would like to add to your story. Or you can just tap on camera and take a picture or a video right now. And after that, you need to just go with the upper right, which has that A, that means text, and tap on mention and select the person that you would like to mention. Tap on done, which is on the bottom right, and that will be added to your story. Now, if you go with the other account, which is the person that you've tagged in, so I'll just log into the other account. Now, once you're on the other account, you will have the story in which you've been tagged on or mentioned. Here you will get a message of someone mentioned you in a story. So tap on that message and here you will have the story. You can simply tap on it and you can add back the story or just keep it as it is. So that's how you can tag someone on Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.